Okay, so today we have a really simple ham, egg, and cheese wonton. Super easy once you get started. It should be in and out of the oven in under 30 minutes.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, so first most important ingredient is your wontons. And you'll just take a single sheet out. I put 6 on a cutting board here. You'll brush them lightly with some olive oil. This will make them nice and crispy. And then to make the beautiful kind of star shape, it makes them look really nice in the muffin tin, you'll take another wonton sheet and place it kind of diagonal over the top of the first one. I'll show you quickly here on my tray so you can see. Make a little star.
Just tuck them inside the tray?
Yeah, brush a little more olive oil on that top one. And then the most important part is the filling. So that one's really easy to put together as well. You'll start with just a single egg. Pour that into your mixing bowl. You want to whisk it around a little, beat it just slightly before you add the other ingredients, which are our leftover ham. Just dice it up into small little pieces so it'll fit nicely in the cups. Add that in the bowl. Your cheese, we chose Gruyere cheese, but use whatever you've got in the fridge.
Make it easy.
We've got some onion, a little bit of onion, add in. Then we've got some mayonnaise. Get a little creamy. Mustard. And a little bit of pepper. Then you just really combine it, make sure everything's all coated.
And that's it?
That's it. You just make sure everything's all married together here. It'll look great in there. And then you'll just take about a tablespoon and drop it into each of your wonton cups here.
The wontons look so pretty too.
I'll show you what they look like when they come out of the oven. Here is your end result. They just look beautiful, nice, and here, I'll put a few on a little plate here so you can see what they look like. You could serve it with a little side salad, maybe some extra bacon if you have it, some fruit, but they just look really beautiful when they come out.